everyone. This week we are going to be doing a color mixing challenge. For this project, we will need to have our art packs, which include these two worksheets here. This is what you will be working on, and then this is the key. But you could also use this key if you are really struggling following along on the graph. This has all of the colors that you would need to mix written right on it. And then you will also need your color pencils. You're going to need every color of the rainbow. So if you know your rainbow, you'll know that you'll need red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. And make sure to be using color pencils. This is very important for our project. If you're using markers, it won't work because the colors will bleed. So let's get started on what you have to do for your project. So first we're going to go over what all of the letters mean on our graph that we have here. So you're going to need either a pen or a pencil for this so that you can write down your colors. So red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, black, brown, and white. Violet is another shade of purple. So we know that that is going to be purple, so let's write purple first. And then we can go backwards. So blue is B. So you're practicing your rainbow backwards. Purple, blue, green. Yellow. Orange. And red. The letters on this side of the graph stand for the same exact things. So again, we have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, aka purple, black, brown, and white. So how we use this graph, we are going to look over at the key. So as you can notice, we have the colors of the rainbow on the top and the side. So how you are going to see what colors you have to mix, you are going to start with your colors, and you're going to go one over, one down. So R and R is red and red. So we're going to color our first box fully red. Since we're just doing red, we don't need to be layering or mixing any colors with the red since it's just plain old red. But you'll notice for the second one, we're going to go over 2 and down 1. So what does orange and red make? Let's see. Let's put a red down. This is where we start mixing. And then our orange. So as you can see, orange and red makes this orangey red color, right? They're pretty similar to the first, but just slightly different with that red. Next, we're going to go over 1, 2, 3 and down 1 with our yellow. And then we are going to do red with yellow on top. So again, we're starting off with our red base. And we are going on top of that with yellow, which obviously creates orange, right? So orange is our color that was right next to it. So yes, red and yellow make orange. So next we are going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 over and 1 down. G stands for green. So we are going to, of course, pick up our red, first layer of red down. And then you are going to put your green layer down. And you can see that the green and red makes this kind of brown color, right? So that is what red and green mixes. Next, we're going to have a red base with blue on top. So again, just following the graph over, and then you will slowly make your way down the lines. And then, of course, red with violet on top, aka purple, is very similar to the blue with red, right? But it's just slightly different. And then, of course, you're going to need a black color pencil, brown color pencil, and white, so make sure you have those as well. And we are going to be having a red base with a black top. And again, red base with a brown top. And last but not least, a red base with a white on top. So there you have it. That is our first line of the graph. A good way to remember which one goes on top is this column is on top of everything. So this is the color that should be on top. And then these are all of the base colors. So again, you're gonna go over to, you're gonna start with your orange base this time. So you're gonna have orange, and then you're gonna see orange and red, that's right. So I'm gonna put red on top. Orange and orange makes orange. Orange and yellow is a very pretty color, almost like a sunset, right? So you can see this pattern that just trails down the line. You continue on until you reach the very, very bottom. And then you should have 100 different colors once you fill in this page. Again, if you need help, you can just be filling in the colors right on the key. So the key tells you exactly what colors you need to mix. So red and red, red and orange, red and yellow. Even if we go down here, right? Green and blue, green and violet, green and black. So if you are struggling with this on this plain graph, go ahead and go right on your key. Make sure to take your time. This might take you a little long, but it's a very fun project, and just go slow, have fun with it, and make sure to try your hardest. Good job, everyone.